Did you know that Detroit used to be the city of cars? Every street, every factory told a story. One day, a man named Jack Reynolds found an old envelope in his grandfather's attic. Inside were blueprints for incredible cars with engines that ran on unknown fuel, cars that could change shape, cars with technology far ahead of its time. Jack's heart raced. He knew these designs could change everything. He tried to show his friends, but no one believed him. Old inventors laughed. Historians ignored him. Car corporations didn't want anyone asking questions. So Jack decided to find the truth. He packed his bag, took the envelope, and left his house. The city was quiet. The factories stood like empty giants. And as Jack walked among the machines, he felt someone was watching him. He kept walking until each blueprint led to another clue, hidden messages, secret codes, designs folded in the paper. Jack's hands shook. Someone had been hiding history. Cars weren't just machines. They were experiments. Experiments no one knew about. He realized he had to be careful. Powerful people wanted the secrets buried. But curiosity burned inside him. He couldn't stop. He followed the trail to an abandoned factory on Detroit's edge. The doors were locked, but Jack picked the lock and went inside. Silence, dust, old machines covered with cloth. And in the back corner, a glowing notebook rested on a table. Jack picked it up. The pages were filled with new designs, faster engines, invisible shields, hybrid energy sources. The inventions were years ahead of anything modern cars had. Jack didn't know who made them, but he knew one thing: someone powerful, someone secret. Every page raised questions. Why hide this? Why wait decades to reveal it? Jack felt a chill. Someone else might be coming. He had to move fast. He memorized every design, photographed them, and left quietly. Outside, the night felt alive. He had the secrets, but he also knew this was dangerous. The journey had just begun. The blueprints are copied. Now let's go. Back to the beginning. Jack returns home with the copies of the blueprints. He stays up all night studying them. Then he notices a black car parked across the street. The engine is off, the lights dark. He feels it watching him. Jack's heart pounds. He grabs his camera and runs inside. The black car disappears, but the message is clear. Someone knows that he has the blueprints. Next day, he tries to trace the inventor. The clues lead him to an old Detroit engineer, Mr. Harper. Harper had worked on secret prototypes during the 1940s. Jack visits Harper's small apartment. Harper hesitates. Some things should stay hidden, he says. They're dangerous, but Jack ignores the warning. He has to uncover the truth. Harper hands him a small metal box. Inside are key parts for the secret engines. Keep this safe, Harper says. People will come for it, and Jack leaves. The first attack comes at night. His apartment window rattles. Footsteps outside. Jack hides in the shadows. Someone tries to break in. The black car from before returns. Jack stays quiet, his heart racing. The intruder leaves without entering. He knows they're testing him. He also knows the secrets are too important to give up. So Jack plans his next move. Let's go. Let's go, go, go. Jack traveled across Michigan, Ohio, and Pennsylvania. Each stop revealing more secrets than the last. Abandoned garages with engines no one had ever seen. Old gas stations with hidden keys. He memorized every location. Every blueprint had a puzzle. One night, he reached an underground lab beneath a highway bridge in Pennsylvania. The lab was untouched, filled with dusty machines, glowing panels, and cars covered in sheets. He activated a control panel. The lights flickered, the engines hummed. Someone had built a prototype hybrid engine decades ago. Cars could run without gas, silently and faster than modern cars. Suddenly, alarms blared. Motion sensors triggered. Jack froze. A team of men in dark suits surrounded him. Drop the blueprints, one of them said. Jack ran. He dodged lasers, jumped over wires, and disappeared into a back tunnel. The agents chased him for hours, but Jack escaped. He realized time was running out. The blueprints, the inventions, everything had to be revealed before it was destroyed. He could feel the world's history being rewritten in real time. The blueprints, photos, and prototypes were shown to old journalists and car historians. Slowly, the story began to leak. Fans, engineers, and car enthusiasts were shocked. Cars had evolved secretly for decades before the public even knew. Some of the biggest corporations in America panicked. Their agents tried to buy, bribe, and threaten Jack, but he refused. The story is bigger than money. Every secret engine, every hybrid, every design had to be exposed, and so the story leaked online. Social media exploded with discussions, videos, and articles. People all over the world were talking about it. This changed the way people viewed American cars forever. Do you know what the moral of the story is? It's okay to be a gearhead. It's okay to love cars. It's okay to be passionate about something. Don't let anybody tell you that your passion is stupid or that your interests are weird. Embrace it. Let your freak flag fly. The world now knew. Hidden car technologies were finally revealed. Jack's work inspired a new generation of engineers, inventors, and innovators. Detroit, once only a city of factories, became a city of secrets revealed. Jack understood the risk he had taken. Powerful people wanted him silenced, but he had outsmarted them. The secret evolution of cars was no longer hidden. Jack continued his research, traveling across the U.S., searching for more secrets. He uncovered the truth about the first cars ever built in America, the ones that started it all. This story had only just begun. Cars are more than just machines. They're history, innovation, and mystery. And Jack's legacy lived on, proving that with enough curiosity, courage, and persistence, you can uncover the truth even if no one else dares to look.